I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
Today I'm going to show you what happened to the Charger SRT-8 engine and what caused it to lock up. Also, I heard that Super Speeders Rob and Tommy Effia are going to be in Dallas tonight, so I'm going to go and say hi to them. But before I go, Turbo Import Parts has some good used parts for the Ford Focus ST, engines, transmissions, harnesses, axles, turbos, all the good stuff. Link is in the description. Also got this 2015 EcoBoost Mustang in, so if you need any parts, hit them up. I'm really contemplating getting one of these to rebuild. Tell me what y'all think in the comments below, but it's definitely gonna be a manual because I'm not about that automatic life.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Driver's side head is off. It looks pretty standard. Nothing too drastic, which I expected. I didn't think it was going to be this side anyways. Looks good. Let's look at the head here. Got the accessories off. Manifold. Got a little bit of rust here, but should be okay. No bent valves. It's a good sign. All right, let's check out the other side. This side looks good too, just got a little bit dirty here. That's just water. I don't know why it's locked up. I'm gonna try to spin it by hand right now and see what happens. Maybe the main bearings. Yeah, still not spinning. Okay, looks like we gotta turn her over and see what's going on. Alright, so tore this entire block apart. And it didn't have a spun bearing. It had a seized bearing. And if you can see it, right there poking out. And so this didn't allow the crank to move. So what we're going to do right now is take these off. These 4 bolts, these 2 pistons, connecting rods, and see if the engine will spin. But other than that, the block looks good. Alright, so we're on the way to meet Rob and Tommy Effia. Hopefully they're pretty chill dudes coming from Austin. It's been a pretty uneventful drive, but it's still fun. I wanted to talk about about a email I got yesterday. A gentleman got ripped off pretty bad. I'll include a picture of the car that he bought from some company. They just put lipstick on a pig and sold it. Now he's stuck with the car that they tried to take it off a trailer and the engine fell out. And now he's stuck without a whole bunch of money and a car he can't do nothing with. So this is just a little reminder, guys, if you guys want to buy a car that you want to rebuild, buy it from a reputable source, like a car auction, like somebody that's been doing this for a while. Don't buy it from Joe Blow Schmo from a different state that wants to just make a couple bucks on you and move on. I guess that's my little rant. We're here at Bone Daddy's. Rob is nowhere to be found. Got some guys pulling up. On the way back from Dallas, got about another hour left. Went to Rob's and Tommy's meet. It was pretty cool. Got to meet Rob, but didn't get to talk to Tommy. Overall, it was a good experience. It was cool to see the people that I watch and kind of see how they interact with people. But that's about it. Gotta stop by and find another gas station with the 85, because that's always fun. And yes, that battery light is going to be fixed very soon.